Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We're here in York, Pennsylvania at the Candlewood Suites. We got a studio suite with 2 queen beds. Let's take a look. So here's a view of the hallway. And you got stuff like that. Outdoor trash can in the hallway. Okay. Room 324, non-smoking. Modified lock. Bathroom occupied as usual. Their kitchen, dishwasher, sink, garbage disposal. All dishes are clean. All appliances are clean. Microwave's clean. Well, ish. All right here. That could wipe down better. Closet and stuff like that. Those pool towers were in here when we checked in last night. Occupied as usual. Recliner. There's a hole in there. Got a little desk area, chair, drawers, a RCA 40-inch TV, a phone that does not work and makes this noise. Yeah, phone doesn't work. Here's a bed. It's missing the top duvet bedspread protector thing. This is the insert. Beds were comfortable. Bed was clean. Here's what mattress looks like. Got a newer mattress. No protector on it. Nightstand. Alarm clock. Some outlets under here, which is nice. A man P-tack, which works. The thermostat turns on but doesn't do anything. So you can just control it from here. Yeah, you got stains all around there. Stains. They do have a indoor heated pool. The temperature felt nice, then get here at time. It closed at 11. So yeah, so the indoor pool closes at 11. There's another pane of the room here. So, housekeeping could be improved in some areas, for sure. Like around the hotel, the bathroom, right where the shower caddy is, where there's body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. If you stay at any IHG property, you know what I'm talking about. There's a big crack that where they try to glue it in there. Marks on the walls. It's little stuff. Little stuff like that. All over the place you'll find. So, do I recommend this place? You know, Candlewood. Yeah, I still logo right. Go to logo. Anyways, do I recommend this place? I'm staying here on employee rate. I paid $54 for this room. It's definitely worth that. I think they're charging me like 130. I guess that's normal for your work. I don't know. That's up to you guys. I don't know if I'll spend 130 bucks. I mean, you have a kitchen. It's not terrible, but I expect the small things to be a little bit more taken care of for that price. But anyway, not a bad place overall. I guess it has some kinks it needs to work out. So And we were walking the hallways and did smell like weed last night. So there's that. So, yeah. So if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And KW out.